Oh my god, the Paliada looks insane, just like barrels after barrels. But it's so shallow. Day 2. Okay, so we woke up 7:30. We checked the camera, it didn't look very good, so it looked a bit weird, so we got ready and we're coming down. We broke the #1 code and we didn't use the toilet this morning, so yeah, we might be a little bit cooked, lads. Okay, we pulled up to our 3rd spot check. Okay, I just want to say a huge shout out to the Back to Nature. They've got this such an amazing brand. We're so stoked to be a part of the team. Looks pretty damn heavy, so we're gonna have to lock in. But yeah, Back to Nature, such an easy application, works so well. So honored. Let's get out there and go get some waves. Ew! Oh my god, the Paliada looks insane, just like barrels after barrels. It's so shallow though. Oh fuck! What the hell is that? Oh, today's going to be a good day. Fantastic! Here comes a big one. Go, 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 go! Oh, I suck! Ah! Yo, it's hollow. I'm missing them there. Yeah, some crazy one. Little front flip. That was crazy. Nice, but it's so shallow. Oh gosh. You got was a white bottle half. Destin! Bro, I got soaked up. Okay, so my board's cooked. It's such a bummer because this afternoon's been a cook. Now, bro, are you kidding me? It's still bombs. I just kept getting stuck in the lip too much.
A few moments later.
Here on the telephone, 'cause we've no idea when we're coming home. Any place we wander to, any season we go through, I'll be fine as long as I'm with you. Heaven knows, running round the world with you. When you smile, I smile too. How I ever made it without you, heaven knows.
We just had one of the most craziest wedge sessions ever. Slammed my board in the previous one, so I took Destin's one out. There's the psycho rights coming through over here, and then those things over there. It was absolutely insane. I physically can't stand up anymore because of my arms. Like, I barely made it into the last one. My arms are cramping so hard. We need to get out of here before we see how good it actually gets. So, yeah, insane session. Look at this creek. He almost got cooked on one now.